Hey everyone, if you're struggling to get Steam to open on your PC, stick around. In this video, I'll guide you through some methods that can help resolve the issue. Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, so you'll need to try a few different approaches to see what works best for you. Let's dive in. The first step is to open the Task Manager. You can do this by pressing CT or Alt+Delete on your keyboard, or by searching for Task Manager, the Start menu. Once you're there, type Steam in the search box to see if there are any Steam processes running. If you spot any, right-click on them and select End Task. Next, close the Task Manager and locate the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click it and choose Properties, then head over to the Compatibility tab. Make sure to check the boxes for Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program and Administrator. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. The next step is to check your firewall settings. Go to the Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Click on the Windows Defender Firewall option. In the left pane, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then click Change Settings. Scroll down and look for Steam in the list. If you see it, make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. If you don't see it, click Allow another app, then browse for the Steam application. If you're unsure where it's located, search for Steam in the Start menu, right-click on it, and choose Open File Location. Copy the path from the top, then go back to the firewall settings, paste the path in, and select Add. Once Steam is listed, ensure both private and public boxes are checked and hit OK. Now, let's open Run from the Start menu. In the Run dialog, type in %localapp.app% and hit Enter. Look for the Steam folder, right-click on it, and choose Delete. If prompted, click Continue to confirm. Next, go back to the Run dialog, and this time, type Steam, flush config, and hit Enter. Once you've followed all these steps, close everything and try opening Steam again to check if the issue is resolved. If Steam still isn't opening, the last step is to uninstall and reinstall the application. Go to the Start menu, search for Add or Remove Programs, and scroll through the list to find Steam. Click on the three dots next to Steam, select Uninstall, and follow the prompts to remove it. Afterward, visit the Steam website at store.steampowered.com, click the Install Steam button, and follow the instructions to reinstall it. By now, you should have resolved the issue, but if you're still having trouble, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.